Hey guys, welcome back. And today I'm gonna be opening a toy. It's called Cutie Mark Crew, and I just bought it. So let's get opening. Let me see how to open this thing up. Oh, up here. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this. Let's open it. Let's open it. So I already opened it, so let's get this open, but I'm coming back later. So I already opened it, so let's tear the string. Oh my gosh. Oh god. Ooh. Let's see what I got. So this is the flyer, or the checklist. There's loads to collect, and behind here there's like mystery ones too. And it comes with like a pot thing. So let's see what I got. Oh my gosh. So this is like the pot. So let's see, how do I just I'm not sure how to take it, but I got Applejack. It's pretty cute. How do we oh, you put it like this. This is like the stand thing. They like that. So it's pretty cute. So that's it. So yeah, and my sister wants to show hers, and oh my gosh, she got a Twilight Sparkle, and it comes like with this cake, and I got like an Applejack. Wait, that's my Applejack, and that's Twilight. So that's it. It's really messy right now, but yeah, bye guys. Bye guys.